Welcome back to another Decent Coffee Everyday video. Today I'm going to do a comparison between the original Decent Espresso machine shower screen and the new and improved shower screen and group head parts as well. So basically this is how they look. The two different screens. One is just flat. It's the IMS SI200IM screen, which is their original one. And then this one is the SI200IM. So the reason that they incorporated this is that the compatibility with two different screens changes your headspace. Right here is the plastic group head, and so this is how the original one was. So it just sits inside, and then the new one, they made it compatible so that you can reduce the headspace and it goes over the top like this. So I think that's a really cool touch, to be able to change the headspace and find out what your preference is. I mean, it's very inexpensive to buy just the screen and change it out. So it's a very cost-effective way of trying out different setups. So let's get to it. I'm going to do two shots. I'll try the shots straight up, and then I'll try to do a latte and see what I think. See what the differences are in taste. And yeah, stick around and find out. Nice and dry, doesn't have that much water compared to the first one. So let's do a taste test on these two shots, one with the original screen and one with the upgraded 2mm lower screen. So I'm going to check the temperature, make sure that they're not obviously different temperatures, brings out different flavors, as everyone should know by now if they're into coffee at all. Let's do this. This is the first shot, stock screen. Okay, I would say it's on the thinner side. Very vibrant, very acidic, I would say. Very bright. And this is the second one. I think I'm gonna need water for this one. The lowered screen definitely has a little bit more texture. I mean, I can't really taste that much of a difference as far as taste goes. They're both very bright, vibrant, and relatively sharp. But this one does seem to have slightly more of a mouthfeel. Alright, let's do a latte and compare them that way as well. Let's do some latte art. Let's try these out. So this is the first one. This is the second one. The lower Headspace definitely tastes like it has more of a, it's like a fuller mouthfeel. Could be the milk though, so can't count that out. So final thoughts, I think that the screen does what it's supposed to do. In my experience, if you do like textured shots, more syrupy, thicker, this is a mod that you would definitely enjoy. I do like the fact that it's so cheap to do. I bought the screen for $15 on Amazon, and that's all you need is the screen. It's very inexpensive, and I think it's worth just about anybody to try it. There's really nothing to lose. If you don't like it, just send back the screen and no big deal. But I do like the fact that when I use the lower screen, it gives me cleaner pucks, drier pucks. So when after you pull the shot, it's much tidier and cleaner to knock the puck out of the portafilter, and it just seems to act as if you had a puck screen on top. A lot of people use that for that reason also, to keep the top of the puck drier, and it's just a lot easier to clean after you pull the shot. I do like the fact that it does have that effect compared to one with larger headspace. It allows the water to sit on top and become kind of a soupy mess. So yeah, overall I do believe this is a success. Very cheap to do, and it works basically what people talk about and what they describe the screen to do, or less headspace to do, is to give you a thicker espresso, and it does do that. So I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you do enjoy videos like this, comment below for ideas for future videos of what you would like me to compare or test out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care and drink some good coffee.